Hello guys, welcome back to We Trade Bitcoin by Tuniverse, and today is 3rd of May 2023. So we are going to look at Bitcoin price. Firstly, this is not financial advice. I am not a pro trader. I am not a financial advisor or anything like that. So please keep in mind this is just for entertainment and educational purpose only. So please not follow my trade. I told you that, right? You need to understand it and trade from what you understand by your own decision. Okay, so firstly I am going to come to this range in see it start to break here at this red line, and then it's ranging still since March, April, May. So it's been about almost 3 months that it's moving in here. So if you ask me, are you trading in here, Tun? Yes, I am trade. So but okay, before you follow and watch my video, I want you to keep in mind one thing. Most of the traders, many of YouTube channels there, they are trying to predict Bitcoin price. Some of them are creating a channel like this, or the channel like this, but it's like Bitcoin is a moving target. It's never moving across according this channel. It's just unreal support and resistance. To me, I'm not using the channel like that. I using the simpler way. It's just demand and supply zone. If you want to understand demand and supply zone, I have a short definition explanation about it on YouTube channel also. And then I draw the line here in each zone to be demand and supply zone, right here and here and here and here, right? So this is very simple when I trade Bitcoin for long term. Very simple. So for example, if you have a channel and then something in real world has happened, if you remember this event FTX, if you remember Sam Bankman-Fried, it's happened right here, and Bitcoin dumped real hard, right? And it break channel, of course. if you have a channel like this, it's not going to help you anything, but if it works for you, that's fine. If it works for you, that's fine. But I personally don't use that kind of channel to trade. Sometimes I use it for just to be some information, but mainly I trade on support and resistance. All right, so after it dumped here, you guys know in this green bullet here, so this is my position. I bought it here, bought it here, bought it there for three times. I have 3 bullets here. When I trade, I divided my fund into bullets, and then I shoot the first bullet here, second bullet and third bullet here, and I read it right. So I'm gonna go sideways, break up, and here deviation and go up. So in this range, it's gonna be a little bit difficult, because if you look back here, you see in 2022 we have some period of time. It's been 1 month that Bitcoin trading in here, and I guess many people also bought Bitcoin in spot market, because you might think this can be like it maybe come down here, stop and go back up, so something like this. So keep in mind, after this channel, it's going to be a little bit difficult to trade, because so many people trading in there, a lot of emotion, a lot of money, so many things happen. So right now we are at the weekly chart. So we're going to take a look. I still like this week. I like this week. In weekly chart, it's rarely to have weeks and like this. This means if we cannot see, but if we zoom in into daily chart, we are going to see price come down and then bought back up very quickly like this. It's turned into weekly chart like this. It's like a pin, right? Like a pin. So because of this and this bull energy, it's like price turn back down a little bit and bull bought back up and push price back up here. It's really significant bullish case for me. And right now we see price moving sideways here. If in this case, if it's not bull market, when the price push back up in a few weeks, price should continue down and retest or something like this. This is not bull market, but if the price bought back bull and then turn like this, I thought it's going to be a bull market. Bull market still here with me. You don't have to trust me, but this is what I analyze from my experience, because if the price, remember, I'm not going to predict price going to go up or price going to go down, but I am going to do this if the price push back up and not going back down. If the price push back up and go sideways like this, I will consider it as a bull market, because in Bitcoin on weekly chart, on daily chart, you are not going to see retest or anything. If we look back here, when the bull market come, you see the same thing, price going down, wick, and then bull push back up, no retest, push back up, retest just a little bit, and bull run, right? We are not going to see retest. For example, in this case, if we turn back a little bit more, when price coming back down, you cannot see the pull back up like this, right? We see push back up a little bit and then accumulate people buying. This is not bull run. This is not bull run yet. Of course, you can make a lot of money here, but the price going to came back down to retest the support zone right here. You see, this is not bull market yet. So in the bull market, we are not going to see the retest, and this is very small retest to me for the first time. And for this price this week not coming back down and retest this red line, I will explain with you one more time why I drew this red line here, because of, to me, it's kind of significant level that people buy and sell around here until we break. So I don't think price will come back down below this. This is the best case scenario. I expect price to be volatile in here in a few weeks, and then we are going to see something like this. Right? This is what I expect. Or if price come back down below here into this level, into this red line, you know what I am going to do, right? I'm going to prepare here. This is my question. Did you prepare? When we trade, we are going to prepare. I will prepare anything if the price weak down to this red line. I'm going to buy. I'm preparing to buy here, and I'm not going to wait until price break this red line. I am going to prepare in this range. I am going to prepare in this range. Any weeks, any price come to this range, I'm going to buy spot at all costs, because I expect price to move like this, and maybe pump like this. But this is a scenario A. When you trade, you need to have more than one scenario to know that you don't put your bias into your decision. Another decision, if the price coming back down here and I buy it here and then it come back down below, so this means I can go minus. Of course, in this case I am going to do some stop loss in here because I think in this range there are many traders that trade in that range, in this range. If you see in this range, of course it's possibility of price to come back down here and be volatile in here also. So if price came back down below this red line, I will expect price to come back up, and then I'm going to stop and sell into around this range. In this case, you need to accept some loss. Of course, in trading, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. It's normal. And yeah, I expect price to do like this, and then like this, and then something like this. This will be a bull market. And let's zoom in to daily chart. So what are you going to do in here? If you ask me, this is almost 3 months that price moving into this range. Tun, so you didn't trade at all? No, I did. I trade. Of course I trade, but I did not buy any spot since I bought it here. I did not buy because my plan to buy it below here, right? In this range, I have another strategies that I also trade on spot market and futures, and also do options because in the volatility coming in play in the market like this. So if you trade, you are going to lose your money. I am going to be frank with you. If you zoom in into 1 hour chart and zoom in like this, are you going to trade something like this? Right? It just nonsense. You cannot predict anything at all because, you know, even you buy here and it come up and then it break, you hit your stop, for example. It just so annoying to trade like this. And in this range, of course, I trade, and I'm going to be frank with you. In my futures portfolio, I lost in this competition. So but don't worry, because it's not going to be a big damage, because I trade futures only some amount that I can accept loss. But on the another strategy, I got profit during this period. And yeah, in total a little bit of profit. But yes, this is not majority of my portfolio at all. All right, so if you ask me what I am going to do, I am also trade, but right now I also get in here and then wait the price to come higher. But to me, I think in next, I think maybe tomorrow, price might came back to here and then do something like this. You know, you never know. But I am going to take profit around this range to get a little bit of gains, you know. Yeah, this is my intraday, so not so good, but I just want us to focus on the bigger picture like this in this case. So if we look at 12-hour chart, okay, to not confuse, we back to 2 weekly chart first. So we have a dump here, I think because of the Fed last time, and then around this range this week we have earning reports on stock, so it might affect crypto for just a little bit, I think. Yeah, but by the way, this week we have bought back up already. If we zoom into daily charts, so yeah, it's like, you know, difficult to trade. Are you going to trade something like this, right? I don't think so. The price is going to kick you if you're short, if you're long. If you want to try, you can try on like small amount, but then on my spot market, I'm not going to buy right here. This is not my plan. Yeah, my plan is here. Any price that come back down to this range, I'm going to buy, right? And or if price break up to this range, I am going to buy here and follow them upward. If they are going to go up, maybe they not go up, maybe they come back here and then come back down. You never know, right? So don't predict market, just follow and react to the market accordingly and try to work on your risk. Make sure that you can be in this market for long time and long term. Don't try to be too greedy, because if you are too greedy and get into 1 hour chart like this or even 5-hour charts, you know, it's just so difficult to trade. Yeah, for this channel, my purpose is to do analysis for myself and share with you, to have more Bitcoin and hold Bitcoin and get profit from Bitcoin in the future. This is what I'm trying to do. So yeah, this is all. Summarize again what I'm going to do. I'm not going to do anything in here, right? Just watch. But when the price come to here, I will buy. If the price up to here, I will buy. But in this range, I just have done another strategy working, so I don't need to worry about it. So we are going to see in next few weeks, I hope. For the situation like this, I think the price going to move like uncertainty for some time. This is what I think, because of stock market and business in general is not really doing well right now. It's going to affect people are moving fund from in and out, things like that, or many people are taking profit here. I'm not going to taking profit here until until you follow me, until here, maybe I'm going to take profit here and here, right? So follow this channel for long term and hope we can get there together, guys. So this is all for today. If you have any question, ask, let me know in this video comment, and I'm going to try to answer you or collect the information you want to know and answer you in next video. And this is all for today. Thank you very much, and please click like and subscribe on this channel. So see you next time. Bye bye.